Skill versus will. Determination versus determination. I don't even know if that's a word, but it sounds cool to me. See? That's the guy right behind me. This guy right here. See that? Look, he even has this little towel on his head. That's how scared he is. He's sweating. He's sweating. Already, look. See? It's starting to come off his face already. Okay. Let's go see what's up with this fidget spinner spin-off. What's up, man? You scared?
Yeah. I give you a tape to play the facility.
I told you. Alright, I'll just blur that out later.
Well, yeah,
Don't be scared, man. I told you I was coming. I told you I was coming fully prepared.
come on, take the battle. Come on.
Oh, now it's a battle?
Come on.
Alright.
Go.
Whoever wins this has got to do 100 pushes or pulls, which means that's 100 push or pull. Doesn't matter how much weight it is. 100, alright? Alright, girl. I'm about to see you lose, boy. Alright. There we go. Come on, baby.
Oh, yeah, that shit whack. That shit whack. Yeah, that's my daughter. I'm about to bust her ass.
You keep spinning, Dave. You keep spinning. See this guy? Look.
Don't touch it.
See?
That's bad luck.
I got El Diablo. This is the one you want. You don't want this one. See, it's got the crack in it. Alright. Let's get you ready, El Diablo. Alright. Ready? Set? Go.
Give me that money, man. Drop down, man. Come on. Come on, give me my bread, man. That shit's slowing down. Give me my money, man. That shit is weak. You see that? That shit is weak.
Why is yours slowing down too, man?
Mine not. Mine's still going.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, look.
No, you know why? It's because the way I spin it. You know, it was like a weak spin. Look, Joe. Look, Joe. What happened? Oh, yo, one spin for infinity. Come on, man. What, 2 out of 3?
Yeah, come on.
All right.
Let it keep going. Let it keep going.
Now about to do 2 out of 3.
Let it keep spinning. Get the time. Get it.
Ooh, man. You ready?
Yeah. Wait.
What happened now?
Let it stop. Let it stop. I want you to get the full spin.
You're afraid of
Now,
Diablo?
I want
Ready?
you to get the full spin.
You're
Come
afraid
on.
of Diablo? You ready? Look, you see how it just wants to spin by itself. Ready? Damn, stop. Wait, hold on. Ready? Go. Alright guys. This is 2 out of 3 now. He wants to win so bad. He doesn't want to do the 100 pushes or pulls. That's 100 curls, 100
Alright, I'm coming back with my orange one.
Come on. You can't beat the Diablo. Nobody can beat the Diablo. Now see? Look, see? Now he's pulling out the white one. See, he's pulling out the white one, but you can't mess with Diablo. Diablo is the best. Diablo is the best.
And you pressed oil yours, that's why.
No, he did
yeah. I told you, he put oil on it.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I lubed the. Go ahead, there's WD-40 in there.
You by forfeit. You gotta take the middle piece out.
Yeah, just go on the cabinet, Joe. Go on the cabinet.
Nah. You forfeited.
Go on the cabinet.
El Diablo is a cheater.
No, go on the cabinet and get some WD-40 and spray it up. Oh, go ahead. I'll be waiting. I'll wait right here.
Too late.
I'll wait right here.
Nah, it's over. I'm bringing my orange one. Tomorrow, I'm coming off. Tomorrow, I'm coming. See, this is natural. We don't use steroids.
Guys, he's just afraid to admit that his fidget spinner does not spin as much as mine does. I bought this. I'm not going to mention his name, but this is the best thing I bought right here. You see? Now he's like crying over there with his towel on his head because he's afraid to admit it. He's afraid to admit it that mine is the best. Point blank. That's it. Mine's the best. What else can I say?